good morning. How's everybody doing? It's Friday. Unemployment numbers just came out. It was a miss. 73,000 jobs. They were looking for 100,000 jobs, but they seem to have shaken it off. All right, so when I say this, they shaking it off business, it's like it's okay for now kind of thing, but that little basket of stuff that they throw in that they don't worry about eventually gets too heavy. All right, so just be aware of that. Okay. So we're all taking futures down today. All right, so we already kind of knocked them out a little bit on the overnight. So on our daily right here was that big outside day. We're going to be 3-2 down. We're trading at 626 and change right now. So on my numbers, my next move to the down would be 623.07, 623.07. All right, and then if we go below there, we start to look at 618.05 if we start to break down from there. Okay, so coming back down here, we'll see if we can. We're going to break this 628 here, and we're going to come down into this area here. Right now, we're trading at 626 and change. All right, so we'll see if we can stay inside here. Again, that would be our break back down to 623 and change, and then we would be going back down to 618. All right, so 3-2 down today to start the day. Okay. Trying to get here's the overnight. So on the 60s, this has been the overnight here, trying to come back up a little bit there. All right, and QQQ. Again, same situation here. Support levels right now on Qs are going to be somewhere in the neighborhood of 561. 561.83 is my number. You can write that number down. 561.83. See if we can hold there. We are going to break that this morning, though. Okay, so we are coming back down to 559. We're coming back into this area right in here. Okay, my next support level would be 556. 556, is that right? Yeah, 556.76. All right, so we're hovering around 559.61 right now. Okay, so we're taking this guy down this morning. We're in this 559 area here right now. Okay, so we got shooter down on that week. See if they want to get continued to bring that in. And why is the thing on month? I got to get this back up on month here. All right, and month's just still very, very strong. Okay, so we are going to get a new bar today. All right, it's going to be coming right in here, right where we just talked about right now. So we're going to be opening. We're going to be opening somewhere around 559 in here on the monthly. All right, so we're going to be coming in back in here somewhere. All right, so going to be 2-1 inside day today, and then I'll go back on that SPY and look at it as well, because we're at 626 right now. So we're going to be coming in somewhere around in this area right here. All right, so it's going to be a 2-1 back inside. Okay, diamonds as well, same way. Diamonds faring a little bit better with the unemployment numbers, so I don't know anything about that, but we'll see. All right, 441. We're down to 438. This thing has triangled out everything. My next support level is at 437.47, 437.54. All right, but we're doing the best here right now on the diamonds, coming back up here a little bit on this unemployment number. All right. So 437.50 would be our next support number if we can get some support there. Okay, so we'll see. All right. Tariff talk is out there this morning. So that's going to throw some more volatility into the mix. He's going to take a bunch of new tariffs are going to go into effect on August 7th. Be aware of that. Seems like we already went through that rodeo, so we kind of know how it shakes out. But these are bigger numbers too that they're coming in with too. All right, so we'll see that. So there's a little tariff problems out there. Apple was a nice win. I gotta say, I've given it up to Apple today. But Apple is Tim Cook came out and said that with these tariffs, it's probably going to cost them $1 trillion or something like that. It's crazy. So they're going to lug that on their back too. This thing was higher too. All right. It was higher on the overnight. It was way higher. It got up to 215. All right. Got a little aggressive there. 211 here. I'm still not sold on Apple. 190 is my number. I just, it's just still got some troubles. But you know what? Good for Apple today. It's had a good day. Amazon had a miss. What can we say about Amazon? Amazon plunged almost 8%, man. All right. So from 234.11, we're trading at 215. We were lower. Okay, but we're trying to firm up here. There's no hurry getting after Amazon today. All right, no hurry at all. All right, let this another one. We're gonna have that gapper day down. I'm gonna wait that 3 days. That's kind of my rule. That's how I like to play it. Well, 1 second here. I got this guy talking in the background. I got to shut him up here. Sorry about that. Okay. All right, so maybe there was some confusion there. All right, so Apple is trying to firm up there a little bit. Couple names that I want to go through there this morning on our Gapper list. I'm sure you guys get the Gapper list. I'm sure you're following me on Twitter. I hope you are. And there's a bunch of information out there this morning. Okay. Reddit, 186.60. Reddit's got a nice win here today. All right, so moving up here exponentially here. We're coming up to 186 and change. So we're coming up through here. 173, we're going to take that guy out. And 181, we're going to get that guy. And then it looks like 208.89. So notice the gap here from 183, where it's trading at 186 right now, but that next magnitude goes all the way up to 208.89. I would expect her to stall around inside here. I don't see it going back up to 208 today. All right, so you can get this, you got that, but getting this is going to be a challenge. All right, so you might get some little run sheep run here in the morning. They might just run them up, but just be aware of that, okay? If you're in that Reddit, and I got this Fig. This guy just came in yesterday. This kid became a billionaire at 33 years old. All right, so 33 years old, good aspirations there. 115.50. This thing came at $84, man. Big win. If we can watch what happened with CRWV and what happened with Circle, this is kind of a different company altogether. You can read up on it. It's interesting. It's very interesting. So Fig, which is called Fortress. All right, so we'll see. We don't have a lot of data. It just opened yesterday. I'm just mentioning it. I'm not getting too crazy about it. All right, a couple other names. We talked about Apple. We got Kimberly-Clark a little bit better here this morning. 131.40 here on your staples. I like the fact that it's coming off the broadening formation on the low end of the daily broadening formation, and that's going to be a nice gapper upper here. 131.40. All right, so we're coming up through here. So here's another one where we get a problem. All right, so we got to get to to get to this bar, we got to get to 131.98. Oh, sorry, we got that. All right, so the next move up there would be 133.09 if you want to triangle out from there. Kimberly-Clark. And that new month is going to change big time, all right? Keep an eye on all these months. We got a new month coming today. All right. So she's going to be opening at 130, 140. Look at that. She's going to open right inside here. Okay, that's for your new month. And then now you're chasing a month getting through 133.10. All right, keep an eye on that. All right, we got the new month going to be popping in everywhere. Okay, I'm not going to go through all of these just because there's a whole lot of them. We'll go through, we'll look at just a couple of tech names here. NVIDIA, not much doing. It was coming down on the overnight. It's kind of fared up a little bit here. Got up to 183.30. Shooter down on week now. It's still positive, all right, but I'd say she's gonna, she's gonna flirt around in there, man. We'll see. 175.83 to break the day. We already did break the day, so we're going to be 3-2 down. A new month is going to come in right in this area in here. Okay, so there's your NVIDIA. Tesla was better, and it keeps fighting back, man. I'll tell you that. All right, Tesla got back up to 307. It got up a little bit higher than that. All right, so by sitting at 305 right now. That's going to take day down. Now your new month is going to be here at 288. We're going to be very close here now. Okay, opening at 305. All right, so we're going to see. We're going to be 111 on Tesla. She's just not going to get going until those months get right. What else here? Regeneron, healthcare, just not chasing it, not trading it, not doing anything with it, making you aware of it. This is a nice move up to the upside on Regeneron, coming back up to 578. All right, so that's going to take the month up. Look at that; it's going to be right there. The new month could be taken right up there with Regeneron, and then you got a big winner, and then you got a big loser. Marna not that bad, fighting back. It was down to 26.52. All right, this thing was way down here. It is really kind of coming back pretty decently. This thing was at $400 right after COVID. All right, so Marna trying to get a little bit better here, fighting back. 29.56 was where it closed yesterday. It's going to be tough to get outside there. You're going to be inside on the new month. Marna, Roblox. I love this. I love this company. It was the shooter down yesterday, closed at 137.79. It's trading at 134.40. All right, so it is going to be taking day down here. So your new month is going to be coming right inside here. You're going to be handily inside on the month on this guy at 134. All right, Roblox. Down this morning, okay? We'll see what happens. Right now, sitting about $3. All right, so Roblox is good. I think that thing can fight back. All right, Google is slightly lower. So I'm just looking around here to see if something dramatic is moving on. The Goose is on the move this morning. Everybody wants to own one of those Canadian Goose jackets. Look at that week. Ooh, punishment. That was all from yesterday. Shooter down everywhere. All right, so saw that coming. Closed at 10.95 here. You're going to be opening at 11.14. All right, so you're going to be right here on you're looking for the 3-2 downer on that shooter down. All right, see if that could go into force, look out. All right, so we'll see. Just wanted to mention on that one, on the Goose. CAR, CAR lower this morning on Avis budget, down again here. 3 on the week. It's just been horrible. Shooter down on the month, and so here's your day. And now you're gonna open up today inside at 165. So it's going to be a lower low on the daily. We're going to continuation to the downside. All right, so this thing's going to be pinned down pretty hard. and we'll be looking to see for that to break that month down, okay, on the new month that's coming. All right, car kind of getting a hit there. What else? Just looking around, trying to see if I don't. There's Amazon. We talked about that one at the beginning here. It's firming up a little bit. We'll see if it can go. I'm gonna be a little cautious here. I'm protecting. I've got some positions, but I'm protecting the positions I have, and I just be a little cautious right now in this market. All right, I don't. We'll see what goes down, but I'd be that basket like I talked about earlier. I think it get heavier and heavier. What else here? I thought I had a couple other ones that were a little bit better here. Nah, that's not doing it. Hey, my WT. All right, I sold out. I sold out my position in WT up here at 1360. 1360. I was long it from 11 and change. All right, so I took this 2 month up nice. Now I got this inside week. Okay, so I'm going to be looking for that 212 week back down, and then maybe see if we can start to reverse some of this stuff and get this thing going again. This thing was a nice one for me. It was a nice trade. I got out timely, which was key, because you don't want to be holding on to anything too long. Watch the and Shaq. Another one that's taken a beating here. 118. Where we at here? 118.53 currently right now. Yesterday's lows were 138, so we're down handily. We had a gapper down yesterday, and now we got a gapper that we're going to be inside. All right, so Shake Shack I think will come better. It got back up to that 130 and it stalled out up there. All right, so it was this mess in here got kind of created, and that just kept going until boom. All right, so we'll see there with Shake Shack. I'm not going to talk too much about that. All right, so more importantly, protect what you got right now. Don't trade too much. Watch Reddit, watch Marta, watch Amazon, we'll watch Mr. MSTR. The dollar's going up. The dollar's been moving up now, and now all of a sudden the 10 years have just dropped pretty significantly here, okay, with this jobs report. All right, so we were at 438 now on the 10 years, and we're coming all the way back down to 427, and the dollar is starting to come down a little bit. All right. Diamonds are a little bit better. We'll see what happens, all right? I'll see you at lunchtime, and be good. Happy Friday, by the way. Be good.